Morning everyone. So today we are going to start our 4th class English book English Firu, and we are initiating it with the first chapter, A Daughter's Love, means the love of a daughter for her father. What do you think of when you see this picture? Tell your elbow partner about it. Means when you are just looking over this picture, what thoughts come into your mind? As you can see, this is the hand of a father and a daughter is holding the hand of her father. It means in our life, our father always guide us. But not only our father, our parents always guide us. Many years ago, it means before many years, there was a king in England called Lear. There was a king in England and his name was Lear. He was a wise and generous king, and Lear was very intelligent and unselfish. Means he always used to think about his people, country and his daughters who had ruled over his kingdom for many years. And he had ruled over his kingdom for many years, but he was becoming old. But as the year passed, he was becoming old. He felt it was time to pass on his kingdom to his daughters. So he thought that now I should pass my kingdom to my daughters. One day, King Lear decided to ask his 3 daughters a question. So King Lear decided that he will ask a question, and who will answer the best, she will be the queen. The 2 eldest daughters, Goneril and Regan, lied to their father. And the 2 eldest daughters were Goneril and Regan. And when their father asked the question, they both lied. But what the King Lear asked? He asked, "Well, dears, tell me how much you love me." He asked that, "Please tell me how much you love me." So the eldest daughter, Goneril, said, "Sir, you are dearer to me than my eyesight or life." She said, "You are more important for me than my life and eyesight. No child has ever loved her father more than I love you." She said, "I love you the most, and no any child has loved to his father as I love you." And what Regan said? Regan said, "I am the happiest when I am able to serve you." She said, "I will be the most happy child of the world if I get the chance to be service of you." Cordelia was Lear's youngest daughter, and Cordelia was Lear's youngest daughter. Now it was her turn to express her love for her father. And after their 2 sisters, means after her 2 sisters, it was her turn to show her love for her father. "What can you say to deserve your share of the kingdom, Cordelia?" He said, "Cordelia, if you want some shares from the kingdom, then you'll also have to answer this question." She said, "I love you as I should, neither more nor less." She said, "Father, I love you as a daughter should love her father, neither more nor less." "You better mend that speech, Cordelia, or you may lose your fortune." King Lear said in anger, "Cordelia, you have time. You can mend your speech. You can better your words. Either you can lose your fate. You can lose your destiny." But she said, "My lord, you are my father. You have cared for me, fed me and loved me. Thus I obey you, love you and greatly honor you." She said, "My lord, you are my father. You have brought me up, you cared me, you fed me and loved me. Thus I will always obey you, love you and respect you." Hard to believe. So King Lear was not believing that Cordelia had really only felt a sense of duty towards him. That Cordelia doesn't love him, she only felt a duty towards him. He had thought that she loved him greatly, and King Lear was thinking that Cordelia loves him the most. So King Lear said in anger, If this is the truth, then you will get nothing from me. King Lear said that if you doesn't love me, then you will get nothing from my kingdom. You are no longer a daughter of mine, and from today you are not my daughter. I will divide your share of the kingdom between Goneril and Regan, and I will divide my kingdom and your shares of the kingdom between Goneril and Regan. I disown you, and from today you'll have to leave this kingdom, and I am not your father, and you are not my daughter. The King of France was in the court when Cordelia was asked to leave, and when King Lear said her to leave the kingdom at that time, the King of France was also in the court. He thought of her as simple and honest. He found Cordelia a very simple and honest girl, and hence wished to marry her, and he proposed Cordelia for marriage. Cordelia agreed, and they leave for France. And Cordelia also agreed at his proposal, and they both leave for France. But when they both were leaving for France, Cordelia said, I hope my sisters take good care of my old father. I am really worried about his health. Cordelia said that, I hope my both sisters will take care of my old father, but still I am worried about his health. Lear decided to stay with his eldest daughter. After that, King Lear decided that he will stay with his eldest daughter, Goneril. He soon found out that Goneril was only after his kingdom. But he found out that Goneril was just wanted to grab his kingdom. She doesn't love him at all. She don't take care of him, and she didn't take care of him. So King Lear decided that he will stay with his second daughter, Regan. Soon King Lear realized that his second daughter was equally cruel and selfish. But he realized that his second daughter, Regan, was also equally bad and selfish like Goneril. So King Lear thought that I would rather beg on the streets than be disrespected by my daughters. He thought that instead of being insulted by my daughters, I would beg on streets. Oh, how I miss Cordelia today. And he thought that I am missing Cordelia very much. Meanwhile, Cordelia was worried about her father's health. And during that time, Cordelia was also worried about his father's health. England and France were at war with each other at that time. But at that time, England and France were fighting a battle, as she was the Queen of France and Cordelia was the Queen of France. She couldn't enter England anymore, so she was not allowed to enter in England. Thus, she decided to attack England and rescue her father. So she decided that she will attack on England and save her father. However, the French army is defeated by the English and she is imprisoned. But unfortunately, Cordelia was defeated and she was imprisoned in England. But when she entered in the prison, Cordelia is surprised to meet her father there. She was surprised to see her father there in the prison. King Lear said, "Don't laugh at me, young lady." He said that, "Young lady, do not laugh at me. Perhaps I'm being foolish. Maybe you are thinking I'm a fool, but you look like my daughter Cordelia. But your face is like my daughter Cordelia." Cordelia and Lear are overjoyed to meet each other after such a long time. And they both were very happy to meet each other after a long time. Cordelia said, "Yes, father, I am your Cordelia." She said, "Father, this is me, Cordelia. I have been looking all over for you. Finally, I have found you. Father, I will never let you go." She said, "I was looking everywhere for you, but finally I found you here. Father, I will never leave you." King Lear said, "Forgive me, my child, for I am old and foolish." He said, "My daughter, please forgive me. I am old and foolish. That's why I made this mistake. I couldn't recognize your love. I have caused you a lot of pain. I have given you a lot of pain, but please forgive me. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit as fiddle. As you all know, we have completed our chapter, Our Daughter's Love. We have also completed our word meanings, and today we are going to do our question and answer. So let's start. The chapter is Our Daughter's Love. So let's do the question and answer. Question number first is, why did King Lear decided to divide his kingdom among his 3 daughters? That why King Lear decided to divide his kingdom among his 3 daughters. So the answer is, King Lear decided to divide his kingdom among his 3 daughters because he was becoming old. King Lear was growing old, that's why he decided to divide his kingdom among his 3 daughters. And our next question is, how did the 2 older daughters lie to King Lear? Means how the 2 eldest daughter Goneril and Regan lied to his father, and what did they both say? The 2 older daughters lied to their father that they love him so much. So both the daughter Goneril and Regan said to their father Lear that they love him so much. And our question number 3 is, what reply did Cordelia give to her father's question, and what answer was given by Cordelia? So Cordelia replied that I love you as I should, neither more nor less. She said to her father that, Father, I love you as a daughter should love his father, neither more nor less. And next question is, how did Cordelia meet Lear in the end? And the answer is, the French army attacked on England and was defeated. The army of Cordelia attacked on England and then they defeated, so that Cordelia was imprisoned, and in the prison she met to her father King Lear in the end. That's all. So like this she met to her father in the end. These were the question and answer of our chapter. So what you'll have to do for the present, you'll have to complete question number first and second. You'll have to learn them and you'll have to write them. And for the next session, we will complete our remaining 2 question and answer, question number 3rd and question number 4th. Thank you.